Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block contacts on Tinder using desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to try avoid seeing someone on Tinder, then you can easily do that by blocking the contact. Simply open up a web browser and in the web address bar type in www.tinder.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Tinder account. If you're not, make sure you do. And once you're logged into your account, this is the main interface for Tinder. From the main homepage of Tinder, go to your profile icon in the top left-hand corner and click it on. This will bring up more menu on the screen on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find Block Contacts option and click it on. You can block a contact from your contact list by clicking on Add Contact. Type in the name of the person you are trying to block and go to the next field where it says Contact Info and add in the phone number of the person. On the next field, type in their email address and click the Submit button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to block a contact on your Tinder. Remember that blocked contacts won't be notified that you blocked them. It does not affect your existing matches or messages, and they won't be able to appear on your main homepage of Tinder. That is how you can easily block someone on Tinder you no longer want to communicate with. The list of the people that you've blocked on Tinder will be listed in the blocked tab. If you want to unblock them quickly, click on the unblock button right next to them. That is how you can easily block someone on Tinder you no longer want to communicate with. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.